Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create outline in paragraph styles in Google Docs. This tutorial should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, quick and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Do not worry if you're a beginner, a first-timer, or in general, just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now, as you can see, I'm currently on a Google Docs file with a sample paragraph. Also, before proceeding, please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date. This is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along the process. Now, again, here I have a sample paragraph. Creating an outline means that we'll create some sort of text box around the paragraph or the selected paragraph. And how do we do that? It is actually quite simple. All we have to do is to highlight our paragraph that we would like to put an outline to. You can do this in two different ways. The first way is by going to the start of the paragraph, clicking your mouse, and dragging it across towards the end of the paragraph. That's how you can highlight a paragraph. Once it is all blue, that means that paragraph is highlighted. And this is also the paragraph that will be affected by the outline that we will put. Alternatively, if you want a quicker thing or a quicker way on how you can highlight all of this, all you have to do is to click on one word in anywhere in the paragraph and click it thrice. As you can see, once we click our mouse thrice consecutively, it highlights the whole paragraph. Now, to create an outline using paragraph styles, we need to navigate to the upper portion of our screen right over here. As you can see, we have different of options to choose from. Right here, under the file name, we have 8 different tabs that we can use. For this tutorial, let us focus on the Format tab. Click on it once, and as you can see, it will give us tons of options that we can choose from. For the sake of this tutorial, we will focus on the second option, which is paragraph styles. If you hover your mouse to the paragraph styles, as you can see on the right side, we have different of options that we can choose from. To create an outline, please focus on the first option, which is borders and shading. Click on this once, and as you can see, it will give us the option to make an outline for our paragraph. Here, as you can see, we have the position. For the position, you can choose as many as you want. Let's say, for example, you only want a top border and a bottom border. You can also choose to click on all of these, which will give your paragraph an outline all of the sides. The border width determines how thick the border will be. Let's say, for example, I want it to be 3. The border dash will determine the pattern that will be used in the outline. It can be a simple dash, dots, or even lines. We have the border color. Let's say, for example, I want it to be blue, and the border dash should be this one. The background color, and the paragraph padding. In my case, I am very much satisfied with this border setting. All I have to do is to click on apply. Click on apply once, and as you can see, our outline has now been applied to this specific paragraph because this is the only paragraph that we highlighted in our document. As simple as that, we can create an outline using paragraph styles in Google Docs. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. If you want more videos like this, we have a dedicated playlist compiling all the Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. Be sure to check it out. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.